Hi, you're watching Arsenal Viral here on ArsenalFanTV with me, Beth Krista Wilson. We're looking at the biggest Gooner topics of the week and how fans reacted to them. Unsurprisingly, the most talked about moments this week are all from what turned out to be a pretty controversial Champions League match against PSG. Let's start off with Wenger's decision to leave out Cech in favour of Ospina. It was a choice that many fans couldn't believe, remembering last season's Champions League clash with Olympiacos, a match that Ospina would probably prefer to forget. Against PSG, Arsenal fell behind less than a minute into the game, which convinced some that Wenger had been unwise in selecting Ospina for the match. One user sarcastically suggested that maybe Cech and Xhaka were resting ahead of next week's game against Nottingham Forest, whilst another said it was madness to choose Ospina over Cech. However, by the time the whistle blew, the majority of the fans were praising Ospina's performance after he managed to produce a number of top saves to see the Gunners leave without conceding a second goal. Some thought that Ospina even deserved man of the match and should have alleviated any people's doubts about his abilities. Gary Lineker got involved with the conversation too, backing the boss and saying that Wenger knows best. Piers Morgan was one of the people who doubted whether Ospina was the right choice, but congratulated him for his performance afterwards. The next unpopular decision of the night was made by the referee, who sent Giroud off just before the match concluded. PSG's Marco Verratti was also given a red card after the incident, but Giroud says that Verratti tricked the ref into sending him off. As always, very mixed opinions on this from you at home, with some of you dubbing Giroud's actions as simply stupid, too emotional and pathetic. And some of you thought that the red card was well deserved, whereas others believed it wasn't actually Giroud or indeed Verratti who was at fault, and that the decision should be overturned. But one thought that the ref had made the decision simply because Giroud is strong and handsome. We're guessing that probably isn't the reason though, to be honest. Sanchez has also remained a hot topic throughout the week after his goal in the 77th minute. It prevented the French side's much hoped for win, and Sanchez himself clearly felt that no words were necessary, and since scoring the goal has only taken to social media to post a photo on Instagram of himself in his kit showing off his abs. Well, can you blame him? That's it for now. Let us know what you've thought of Arsenal's online moments this week. There's plenty of action coming up this week as the Gunners are away at Hull this Saturday, and then we'll come face to face with Lord Bendtner when they travel to Nottingham Forest on Tuesday.